This is in this video I'm going to guide you regarding the learning English, as I have been guiding you, as I have been suggesting you the techniques for learning English. So I will be guiding you. I have also uploaded the video over the tenses. I know that most of you would be thinking that this is easy, but I thought that uh, you must be you must be learning the tenses before speaking. Most of you would not be able to use the know the correct use of the tenses, the grammar in the speaking. That's why I upload that. So if you want to watch that, I would give that link in my description. You can also watch that. So in this video I came here to guide you regarding the techniques, some techniques that can assist you in learning English, and those are so essential for learning English. So let's start. First technique that can assist you in learning English easily to speak English, because you know that English is most essentially spoken all over the world, wherever, not only the foreign countries but other in other districts, in other cities, in your own country, in any institution or in any job interview. You need to be speaking English. You need to be speaking English. So for that cause you have to learn it as soon as possible. So on that basis, the first technique that you must adopt in your life, that is listening. So listening, how listening can be special for learning English, for speaking English. It can be special. It is special because if you are not a good listener, you can't be a good speaker. If you are not a good listener, you can't be a speaker, because you yourself know that a good listener can be a good speaker. Take an example of a child. A child, when he gets birth in a family, then he does not know how to speak. That language is spoken in his family. He spent 2 to 3 years in that family, and he listen to his parents, to his relatives. Then he gets inception to speak, to practically utilize those words that he has listened, the way of speaking that he listened by his parents and his relatives. On that basis, this is most essential to listen the people who are good speakers, to listen and adopt that way. That way is adopted by those seniors that who are able to speak. Number second point that is going to be essential for learning English, that is practicing. I always keep saying that keep practicing whatever you learn, keep utilizing that practically in your life. Stand before the mirror, stand in front of the mirror, and try to speak those words that you learn. Try to speak that way of grammar, usage of grammar that you learn, and then it would be easy for you to get for learning and speaking English. And number third, that is, don't think about the people, that what they will think about you after speaking. और आप जैसे भी बात कर रहे हैं, आप अगर अच्छा नहीं बात कर रहे तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि लोग क्या सोचेंगे, आप ये सोच रहे हैं। लोगों के बारे में सोचेंगे तो अपनी ज़िंदगी आपको खुद को गुजारनी है। लोगों के बारे में क्या सोचना। लोग आपको अच्छा नहीं देखना चाहते हैं। लोग आपके कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल को लो करना चाहते हैं। वो नहीं चाहेंगे कि आपका कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल हाई हो और आप एज अ गुड स्पीकर हो, आप रेस्पेक्टेबल हो, आप कुछ अच्छा करें अपनी लाइफ में। बिकॉज पीपल possess jealousy for everyone around them, that they don't want to see the people around them being rich, being a good speaker, being something special than them. So you don't need to think about the people, what they will. You have to do just that you want to do in your life, that you want to achieve. For achieving something you have to sacrifice, and sacrifice is the name of hard working and giving the time, most of your time, to practicing that. Number fourth, that is exaggerated efforts. And exaggerated efforts is the name of hard work. Exaggerated efforts, it means you have to do a lot of hard work. You have to spend a lot of time you have to given you have to give to your learning, because nothing is learned by easy way. You have to give your time and do hard work the most, and then it would be easy for you to learn. Number fifth, that is courage to face the failures. And what is this courage to face the failures? Because I know that nothing is possible, nothing is basically nothing is impossible in the world. You can achieve, but the phenomena that against the natural law, against the naturality, you can't go. The things that are written in the natural, then that you can't change, but you can do, that is possible. If a rocket can hit by the Elon Musk in the sky, if the Facebook is being invented by the introduced by the Zuckerberg, if Bill Gates can be on the highest richest person, if the Albert Einstein like personalities, if they can get richest, then you can be. It's not impossible to think about the things that are impossible looking, that those are impossible. You can do easily everything. Everything is possible. You can learn, but you need to have courage to face your failures. They always have been facing the failures in their life. It's not just mean to that they are, if they are richest, if they have got success, then they did not face any sort of the failure in their life. They faced a lot of the failures. After getting failures, they got success, and success does not come without failures. And is it is being it is a point that fail, if we are talking about the fail, it means it's end of life. Mostly people say that fail, if I'm fail, then I'm nothing, I can do nothing, I can't compete with the competitors that are more than me. But it is the wrong opinion of the people that they do think so. Because fail is defined as fail first attempt in a learning. First attempt in a learning, it means it's your first attempt in a learning. It is one sort of the learning for you, that you must learn how to face the failures and how to push up ourselves towards the success, towards the big achievements and accomplishments. So finally, this is the end of the video. I hope this video would be helpful for you. I could assist you, I could guide you regarding the techniques, 5 techniques that can assist you in learning English easily and readily. So if you liked my video, share it with your friends, comment in the below comment section, and meet you in the next video. So keep take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.